we are going far.
Wow.
There is more. We have Vision 2050 that we formulated, not thinking about our own time here, but thinking of the future of PCEA Kikuyu Hospital minus us,
Yes,
who are currently serving. So we've tried to come up with a roadmap so that those who will come after us will have an easy way of navigating through the business world.
wow, that's a beautiful journey indeed. So I get now to understand kwa maitho. You know, many people from within associate Kikuyu Hospital as kwa maitho. You know, the eye unit has really kind of dominated. But I'm surprised to hear that you offer other services other than the ophthalmology.
Absolutely, yes. Like I mentioned earlier, the eye unit is our flagship. Started 1975. And we've really transformed life. People come here with cataracts and all manner of eye ailments. There is no ailment we can't treat here at PCEA Kikuyu Hospital.
Including cancer?
In the eye, yes. In the eye unit. We have currently 13 ophthalmologists. That's a huge concentration of consultants in the eye unit. And we thank God for that. And when you go to our general unit, we have all manner of specialties. We have dermatology, we have neurosurgery, we have ENT, obs-gyn. We have, in fact, I can't think of a specialty that is not offered here at PCEA Kikuyu Hospital. We also do plastic surgery. Like now we signed an MOU with Smile Train. We'll be treating children and also adults with cleft lip, or cleft lips. So yeah, we are going far.
I saw that in your social media platforms.
Yes, indeed. We are trying. It's a new thing we are doing. And so we are trying to amplify it and just let the public know that you can come to PCEA Kikuyu Hospital and get all services under one roof. No referrals, get everything here and go home in good health.
Wow.
Yes.
That means now the hospital has fully embraced innovation and technology, especially in the equipment that you use for these various departments.
Absolutely, Charity, yes. You know, this is a faith-based institution. And most faith-based institutions were started by missionaries, and they also donated equipment those years. Some are still there, but now you find it's hard to get spare parts. So we've replaced this equipment with the latest technology. You go to our dental, eye, orthopedic, the general unit. We have new sets of theater lights, operating tables, anesthesis machines. You go to eye unit, all manner of machines that are required in the outpatient, in theater, in wards, we have them. And just to stay in sync with the latest technology, otherwise you'll be left behind. So we try to keep pace with technology.
All right. Thank you so much. Allow me to say this because I have been in Kikuyu for over 10 years and I have seen some remarkable developments happening, and especially now within the institution. I've seen the School of Nursing happening, and especially during your tenure as the CEO. I've seen new buses. I've seen Cabro. I tell you, CEO, kuna time here I used to come. You know, I've grown, I've stayed for long, as I said. And there's a time there was a partnership between the institution that I come from, the Presbyterian University of East Africa, and the Kikuyu Hospital. And we used to be treated here as students. Tukikuja tu unaona vumbi mguu kidogo kidogo. But right now, there are Cabros all over. So congratulations for that. Another thing that I have noted, there are developments happening, new buildings cropping up. I've seen the morgue really serving many people, especially those who come from the Western. They don't have to face the traffic getting to Nairobi and so on. How does it feel to see all these changes when you're seated on that seat as the CEO of this institution?
Thank you, Charity. Indeed, we've seen a lot of developments. I joined PCEA Kikuyu Hospital in 2013 as the hospital administrator. And then I transitioned to CEO in 2022. But yes, you're right. We've seen a lot of changes. The Cabro you've mentioned, we had that done 2017. The nursing school you've mentioned, 2020. The buses, again, we have 67-seater bus, 33-seater bus. So all these have happened within a span of about 10 years. A lot have happened. New buildings coming up. We have a 4-story building with a basement for parking and other facilities. And it's a 180-bed hospital, actually.
Wow, 180.
Yes, a new wing. We expect to complete, if all goes well, probably not later than 2028. It will be up and running, and we thank God for that. So I want to appreciate our staff for the effort they've put, because you cannot do this alone. You've got to have a very strong team.
There's no magic. Ama ni magic. You know, we tend to think kuna magic. Ama pesa inakuja wapi. Ama, you know.
There's no magic, Charity.
Yes.
You go to work. When you see things happening, there are people behind the scenes.
Absolutely.
Making those things happen.
Sure.
And we have a very strong team of management, staff that work around the clock. These are 24/7 hospital. So yeah, so it's just bidii yetu ndio imetufikisha hapa. Tumejituma sisi wote as a team, and bado tunaenda far.
Wow.
Yes.
Keep it up.
Thank you.
And thank you so much. Wakati I was coming here,